mechanic now, you know what I'm saying? I've been out here for a couple days and but I'm learning pretty quick, right, Banker?
Alright guys, this is going to be the 6-inch BDS for the 14 to 18 GM 1500 trucks. It's going to be Chevy, GMC, all the same. And everything we cover is also going to be the same basically from the 4-inch, the 6-inch, and the 8-inch versions of this. This just happens to be a 6-inch. So we'll start out in the front here and kind of just give an overview. Obviously this one is going to have some upgraded stuff. So the Kryptonite is not a BDS part, not part of the kit. Not a bad upgrade though for the option. Down here, it's going to be your standard lift. We've got drop cross members for your lower control arm. We've got the sway bar drop here, new sway bar end links, new tie rod end links, and then your new lift knuckle. Now this kit is going to require a lot more cutting than a lot of the other kits. So remember, you cannot go back once you do this. We're going to have a cut on the rear cross member to allow the differential to drop, as well as trimming on the differential itself. And there is some welding required in this kit as well on the other side of here. Now this one is going to have the basic NX2 Nitro Series strut, so you will need a strut compressor for this. You're taking your spring and top hat off of your factory strut and putting it on the BDS lifted strut. So again, a lot of fabrication goes into this. We always do recommend you take it to a professional shop if you don't have the know-how or the tooling to do this kit. Out back, it's going to be very simple. Blocks, shocks, you're done. But up front, it is quite technical for the kit.
Yeah, second floor.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm filming this here truck.
I'm filming this here.
Did you see the warnings about the new salt being highly corrosive?
Yes.
It's on the backs of the trucks.
What?
It's a corrosive sign on the backs of the salt trucks.
Oh my god.
And it does work pretty good. I mean, like, it snows and it's
Fucking
gone
great.
in 3 hours. But yeah.
So is your car. That felt good. Smash myself in the f***ing tooth.
Oh. Alright, I've come here to build some trucks and fuck some ass. I'm all out of ass. That definitely made the cut.
Alright, one more of those. That's it, and we'll take the diff out here in a minute. So you gotta clean all this undercoating off. And so I scraped the thick off with the scraper, but it melts when you get heat. So when you hit it with the welder, it's just it gives you nasty
Boogers
dirt in the weld and all that. So hit it with a torch, heat it up, and melt it, cleans up the metal.
Is this standard freight with these kits? Do you always have to weld on these?
BDS, yeah.
You do? What do you have to weld on there?
It's just a plate to stiffen up what you cut off.
Gotcha.
Very unnecessary, I'd say, but
You think it would be strong enough either way?
oh yeah. There's only BDS does it. Nobody else does. It's got to be fine without it. I mean, It's not like you're leaving it open. You're putting a bracket in there and bolting it back up.
But you're just getting that extra rigidity?
Yeah, just a little bit extra strength there.
Are you going to weld and plate it onto that face there?
Yep.
That's what that is? Gotcha.
So that'll go right there.
Like a 6-year-old, like trying to get in a picture.
That's all I got.
How expensive of an upgrade are the Kryptonite control arms?
I think it's like $1,200.
$1,200
Yeah, they're pretty expensive.
for control arms?
Yeah.
Oh wow!
It's definitely a quality. Very fancy. Kryptonite always has a lifetime warranty on everything.
Oh, that's good.
So,
But then again, so does Harbor Freight.
well, yeah. You don't need them. This is just the factory ones are very chintzy. I mean, you gotta imagine we're putting these big ass wheels on them. That's your one of the 2 points that's holding that entire assembly to this truck is your upper ball joint, right?
And if you don't do that, will you just have to replace your ball joints all the time, or
Well-
will your control arm break? Or
Yeah. So depending on what you have. So this truck came with these. Oh, they're over there in the dumpster pile.
Yep.
The stamped steel ones. And people literally have the ball joints pop out of the controller regularly because it's just it's pressed into a thin sheet of steel.
sure.
It's not a boxed unit or anything like that. It's fucking 20 gauge steel with a fucking ball joint pressed into it, and the ball joint will literally pop right through it. Ta-da! The other side was set up perfect. This side not so much. Almost this much angle, but the other f***ing direction. I'm picking the whole truck up with this thing. Fucking Christ. The ratchet is like skips a tooth, so like I'm barely getting
You're not making it better. Come on. Hit it. Spit on it.
This song has no business going as hard as it does,
Oh, dude, right?
considering like what it is.
Yeah.
Jinx, buy me a Coke. Oh, snap, man, we're still saying the same thing. This is amazing. Carrots, pumpernickels, glow sticks, twins. Let's go, dude.
Agreed. Got a lot of ones.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I was right. Look. Oh, I'm a mechanic now. You know what I'm saying? I've been out here for a couple days and but I'm learning pretty quick, right, Banker?
Everyone that comes out here, they always learn so much.
Put it on there, right? Would you like to? I mean, I can. You did all the hard work, so now, yeah, I'll put it on.
Installed his lift kit one time, and now he thinks he's an installer.
It wasn't even mine.